Hey everyone, welcome to Review Product. Our cars are like our second homes, but they can quickly accumulate crumbs, dust, pet hair, and all sorts of grime. Keeping them clean can be a constant battle. I'm Review Product, and today, we're diving into the best car vacuums on the market. We've done the research to bring you the top 5 models that combine power, portability, and convenience to keep your ride looking showroom fresh. Ready to banish car clutter and dirt for good? Let's jump right in. Number 5. Lipuws Portable Car Vacuum. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the Lipuws Portable Car Vacuum. The biggest advantage of this vacuum is its ultra-compact size and ergonomic design, making it incredibly easy to maneuver into every nook and cranny of your car. It often features a strong suction power for its size, effectively picking up dust, crumbs, pet hair, and small debris from seats, floor mats, and tight gaps. Being portable and typically powered by a 12-volt car outlet or USB, it's a super convenient and affordable solution for quick everyday car cleanups, ensuring your interior stays neat without hassle. Pros: ultra-compact and lightweight, easy to handle and store in the car. Ergonomic design, comfortable to grip for extended cleaning. Good suction power for its size, effective for daily messes. Often comes with various nozzles, crevice tool, brush tool. Very affordable and widely available. Cons: suction power is limited, not for heavy-duty messes or deeply embedded dirt. Dustbin capacity is small, requiring frequent emptying. May require a 12-volt car outlet connection, limiting cordless freedom if not rechargeable. Durability can vary with budget-friendly models. Key features: compact size, pistol grip, often 12 volts USB powered, multiple attachments. Number 4. Ridgid Cordless Hand Vacuum. Next up at number 4, for those needing serious power and durability, we have the Ridgid Cordless Hand Vacuum. This vacuum is built like a mini shop vac, designed to tackle tough messes in your car, garage, or workshop. The main advantage is its exceptional suction power and rugged durability, capable of picking up not just dust and crumbs but also larger debris, wood shavings, and even spilled liquids on wet-dry models. It integrates with Ridgid's 18-volt battery system, offering cordless freedom and robust performance that far exceeds typical handheld car vacuums. It's a heavy-duty solution for serious cleanup jobs. Pros: excellent suction power, rivals larger vacuums for heavy debris. Rugged, durable construction, built for tough environments, garage, workshop, car. Cordless convenience, uses powerful 18 volts Ridgid batteries. Often has wet-dry capability, check specific model. Large dustbin capacity for a handheld. Cons: batteries and charger sold separately. Significant additional cost if not already in the Ridgid ecosystem. Larger and heavier, less portable and harder to maneuver in very tight car spaces. Can be quite noisy during operation. Overkill for simple daily car messes. Key features: high suction, durable construction, cordless 18 volts, wet-dry capability on some models, large dustbin. Number 3. Black Plus Decker Flex Cordless Handheld Vacuum. Sliding into the number 3 spot, we have the incredibly versatile Black Plus Decker Flex Cordless Handheld Vacuum. This vacuum is a favorite for its unique flexible hose design, which makes reaching every hidden corner and tight space in your car a breeze. The biggest advantage is its extendable hose and various attachments, allowing you to effortlessly clean under seats, in dashboard crevices, door pockets, and awkward angles where Ridgid handheld vacuums struggle. It offers strong cordless suction power for typical car messes, making it exceptionally maneuverable and efficient for a thorough interior detail. It's designed to bend to your will, ensuring no dirt escapes its reach. Pros: flexible hose design, reaches extremely tight and awkward car spaces easily. Cordless convenience, battery powered for freedom of movement. Strong suction for car interiors, crumbs, dust, and pet hair. Includes various useful attachments, crevice tool, brush. Compact when stored, despite the hose. Cons: battery life can be limited, may require recharging for full car cleaning. Suction power, while good, might not match large shop vacuums. The hose can be somewhat cumbersome if not managed properly. Dustbin capacity might be relatively small. Key features: flexible hose, cordless, often lithium-ion, strong suction, multi-surface tools, compact storage. Number 2. DeWalt Cordless Handheld Vacuum. Our runner-up at number 2 is another professional-grade contender, the DeWalt Cordless Handheld Vacuum. This vacuum is a powerhouse designed for robust cleaning, especially for those already invested in DeWalt's 20 volts max battery ecosystem. The biggest advantage is its exceptional suction power and rugged durability, capable of handling not just typical car grime, but also larger debris, wood chips, and even small construction particles in work trucks or vans. It's built to withstand job site abuse, providing consistent and powerful cordless cleaning that's perfect for both personal vehicles and professional work vehicles. Its reliability and power make it a top choice for demanding users. Pros: powerful suction, excellent for heavy debris, pet hair, and general car cleaning. Cordless convenience, uses DeWalt's popular 20 volts max batteries. Rugged, durable construction, built to professional standards for longevity. Large dustbin capacity for a handheld, often includes washable filters. Cons: batteries and charger sold separately. Significant additional cost if not already in the DeWalt 20 volts max system. Larger and heavier, less nimble in very tight car spaces compared to compact models. Can be noisy during operation. Overkill for light, daily dust. Key features: high power suction, 20 volts max cordless, durable construction, large dustbin. Versatile attachments. Number 1. Dirt Devil Corded Handheld Vacuum Cleaner. And finally, crowning our list at number 1, it's the Dirt Devil Corded Handheld Vacuum Cleaner. This model takes our top spot because for sheer uninterrupted suction power and consistent performance, a corded option often beats cordless alternatives, especially at this price point. The biggest advantage is its relentless suction that never fades, making it incredibly effective at picking up embedded pet hair, stubborn dirt, and even small stones from car carpets and upholstery. Its compact size still allows for good maneuverability, and the continuous power means you can clean your entire car without worrying about battery life. It's the ultimate powerful, no-fuss solution for deep car cleaning, ensuring your vehicle is spotless from top to bottom. Pros: consistent, strong suction power, never fades during use. No battery anxiety, unlimited run time as long as it's plugged in. Very effective on pet hair and embedded dirt, rivals larger vacuums. Compact enough for car interiors. Often comes with useful attachments: crevice tool, hose. Generally more affordable than powerful cordless models. Cons: requires an extension cord and power outlet, limits portability and requires more setup. Cord management can be a hassle, not as convenient for quick spot cleaning as cordless options. Can be noisy. Key features: corded AC power, strong continuous suction, compact, versatile attachments, bagless design.